Welcome to our guide on finding the best HVAC services in Seattle. Maintaining your heating and cooling system is crucial for your comfort and energy efficiency, and hiring the right professionals can make all the difference. In this video, we'll walk you through essential tips to help you choose a reliable and skilled HVAC service provider in the Seattle area. First, ensure the HVAC company you're considering is fully licensed and insured. A valid license demonstrates that the technicians meet industry standards, while insurance protects you in case of unexpected incidents. Always verify these details by asking for credentials and checking online reviews to gauge the company's reputation and reliability. Next, consider the company's experience and expertise. Look for HVAC professionals with a proven track record in handling a variety of systems, from furnaces to modern heat pumps. An experienced team will be able to diagnose issues accurately and provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs, whether for repairs, installations, or maintenance. Transparency in pricing is another crucial factor. Request detailed quotes and compare them across multiple providers, ensuring there are no hidden fees. Be wary of prices that seem too good to be true, as they may indicate subpar service. A reputable HVAC company will provide fair pricing and clear explanations of the costs involved. Customer service is key to a positive experience. Choose a company that values communication and responsiveness. From your initial inquiry to post-service follow-ups, the team should be professional, friendly, and eager to address your concerns. Positive interactions often reflect a company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. To wrap up, remember that the best HVAC service providers combine technical expertise, transparent pricing, and excellent customer care. By following these tips, you'll be well equipped to make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice. For detailed reviews of top HVAC companies in Seattle, visit the full guide on our website, linked in the description below.